Hi, hello, namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking on behalf of Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live streaming and requesting rest of them also. Please join as early as possible. Our company started in 1983, so we have around 38 years huge experience in this jewelry industry, and we believe customer is our God. And our company main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. So today I bring in front of you a beautiful 7 gold chains completely studded in purely 22 carats gold with real stones and real pearls. First we will see overview of the each and every product, then we will explain clearly. So first, this is the beautiful chain with green emeralds and pearls and seajets. Next is small choker, 2-layer choker with natural emerald, and this is one more long necklace type. Gents also can wear multi-purpose use. So one more beautiful chain. Previously also I showed this one, very premium quality chain with Nakshi balls. So this is one beautiful chain. You can use as necklace and choker also with red color stones and seajets and plain pearls. And this is one more functional wear chain with golden color South Sea pearls and natural rubies. So one more brooch design chain is this is the hot cake in our stores with 2 seajet gold brooches, beautiful one. So before explaining each and every one, first we will see our brand name and brand address, then we will explain each and every product clearly. So our brand is the Krishna Pulse, and we have all of our stores available in Hyderabad city, and our main store is in Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the Jubilee metro station, on the way to Peddamma temple. And if you come from the High Tech City area, just opposite to the Beyond Coffee shop. And we have the video call shopping facility also available. On your request, we will show all the products and our showroom also. You can select, and then you can finalize the price, and you can do the payment on online also. So for queries and enquiries, and if you want to any related photos, our WhatsApp number is 92480 Once again I am repeating, 92480 So we have international shipping is also available. That too all over world is free. All the major countries, some countries we charge some custom charges. So if it is in India, completely 100% free home delivery facility is there. We are not charged a single rupee also. And if it is in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, our persons personally come and show the products and deliver the products. Then only you can pay the amount also. If you want to directly purchase from our website, and our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. And one more thing I want to tell this. This is the label of the company. This is the peacock. Brown peacock is our company label, because so many companies in our name also, because Krishna is the Lord Bhagavan. So many stores have the same name of Krishna. So don't confuse it. This is our logo, company logo, peacock in brown color. So by seeing this, you can identify our store. So we will explain each and every product. This is the beautiful Nakshi design with golden color South Sea pearls and natural rubies with very light color capsule type. On the rubies also we are provided the caps, purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark. In this government symbol is also there, and our company logo is also there. In between some different type of Nakshi balls, shank type Nakshi balls we are used. See the clarity of the South Sea, very beautiful one. This is designed in our manufacturing unit and designed by our designers. See from starting onwards. If you put the door in the back side, gents also can wear this one on dhoti functions and sherwanis. It looks very nice. See how the glitters are there. In this pulse quality is the highlight, South Sea pulse and ruby stones, and all that we have provided the caps also. On the caps also we have provided the Nakshi design. Beautiful chain. So we will see the weights and prices of this chain. In this gross weight is 107 grams, including South Sea pearls, rubies and gold, and net weight is 33.1 grams. 33.1 grams means a little bit heavy weight only, very beautiful chain. In this we are used the rubies and South Sea pearls, and this price is approximately 3,53,000, because this is that much premium quality one. So 3,53,000 is very reasonable only, and we will give the very best deal also. This is not the final price. After the final price, we will add the 3% GST. If you want any related designs also, we will show. So this I will wear and show you once again. Our madam will help you. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone.
When you wear neatly dress up, it looks very, very beautiful piece. Complete grand look it will come. This is the functional wear. If you want to increase the length, if you want to increase the rings backside also, we will increase and give you. This is the standard length. See the glitters. This is one of the premium piece in our store. Very beautiful. Because ours is mainly experts in pearls, so this is the very, very finest quality South Sea pearls. So thank you, ma'am. So around 3,52,000 is the price. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our WhatsApp number. So one more second piece is this is the beautiful choker with red color stones, and here we are provided the 336 flavors with combination of CJets and red color stones. 1 drop pearl we are using milky white pearl, and here is the highlight. Beautiful pendant is there with the pearl drops and CJets and red color stones. We have same matching earrings also. Backside we are provided the dory, so it is useful to adjust according to your neck length. You can use as a necklace and as well as choker. See the glitters, cut stones all are. Beautiful piece. Definitely you will get the compliments when you wear. Here in front of lights it gives so much glitterings. You can wear in the night dinner parties, functions. So we will see the weights and prices of this one. This is gross weight is 52.7 grams including stones, CJets and pearls and gold. Net weight is 7 grams only. Only 7 grams is the gold, so very lightweight. And in this we are using the CJets, red color stones and pearls, milky white pearls. This price is very, very reasonable, just 1,07,000. 1,07,000 is the very reasonable price. You will get a good necklace or choker. And this is also not the final price. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. Our team is ready to give the very, very best deal. So this also madam can wear and show you. Ma'am. Beautiful red color, red. Red is always related to the brightness. Red color is called as the goddess color. Ingasta lose cheyandi.
Adi pearls.
Due to the cut stones, it gives the glitters in front of lights, and when you wear, definitely anybody will get the compliments when anybody wears. We have exactly matching earrings also. If you want, or you want to buy only choker also, you can buy. Beautiful hangings or chandbalis or studs, anything will match for this.
Suchita madam is asking.
Ma'am, tarvata pulse string తీసేయండి madam next. Ma'am, this is very, very reasonable price, ma'am. Just 1,07,000 is the tag price. 1,07,000. So if you take the snapshot and approach our team, ma'am, they are ready to give the very best deal, ma'am, because in this very less gold is there, 7 grams only. So we have more chance to give on stone part and pearl part and making part to give the discount. If gold is more, then we have very less chance to give to make the best price. Then in this we have more chance to give the very good deal. So please approach, ma'am. Only one piece is there in this with black and green is also available, but this is the very highlight color, called as the goddess Lakshmi color, this one. So next we will see one more beautiful and gorgeous chain with the combination of rubies and emeralds and champagne color South Sea pearls. We are used the Nakshi balls with antique finish. Total functional wear. This is not daily wear. Gents and ladies both can wear. You can see 3 rows, beautiful piece. Definitely I think this cost is higher end only, but very luxury piece this one. If anybody wants the special piece for their functions, they can wear this one. On the Nakshi balls also we are provided some beautiful animal figures are there on that. If you closely see, elephants we are provided on the Nakshi balls. Purely studded in 22 carats gold with the hallmark. We will see the weights and prices of this. Okay. Once we will see closely. This is gross weight is 147 grams and net weight is 63 grams. Huge weight in 63 grams means very huge weight is there in this. And in this we are using emerald, rubies and South Sea pearls. This price is around 6,10,000. 6,10,000 is worth for this chain because this is the luxury chain, one of the premium quality designed by our designers and made in our work unit only. So this also our madam can wear and show you. Beautiful chain. Green, red and white. Always it is called as the luxury colors, very highlighting colors compared to other ones. So generally we will make in the emerald, ruby and pearls only. See how beautiful it is looking. South Sea is always South Sea only, that is the premium quality pearl in the pearl industry. These comes from the near Antarctica. Each pearl takes around 15 to 20 years to form. Natural emerald, ruby and Nakshi balls. On the Nakshi balls also we are provided the elephant figures with antique finish. So it is useful for gents also on dhoti functions and sherwanis and marriages because we are given the dull finish, so they can wear. So this is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. If you want in this single row or double row also we will do customize. If you want 5 rows also we will do the customize. Because sometimes if you don't want to spend 6 lakhs for a single chain, then take the single row or double row. We have big manufacturing unit, all the products made in our unit only. See how beautiful piece this one. Really I like this piece very much. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. So next we will see one of the simple chain, maximum with milky white pearls. Here is nylon silk thread we are provided. We use 2-3 rows, very strong thread. And here is the highlighter is the pendant with emerald. And the emerald also, in the middle emerald also we are given the engraving work. Very beautiful flower design we are provided. And here one hanging we are provided. We will get the matching earrings also if you want. With complete CJs. It looks like pole keys only. Here also we are provided backside dory. So it is useful for both ladies and gents. Can wear. Beautiful. Now all the people, maximum customers are asking some pendant type in lightweight. So this is very lightweight. Only on the pendant part is the gold with beautiful engraving work on the stone. We will see the closely ones. From the starting onwards, we see the milky white pulse, total almost 99% round pulse. When you wear it, looks very beautiful. This beauty comes when anybody wears. See, the pendant is the highlighter. CJets, we are provided the total designing work. This is called as the ultra lightweight jewelry. If I tell only, you know these are CJets. Otherwise, you think these are the polkis or uncuts. Here we are using the cut green stone. On the middle part, we are using the uncut green stone. On that, we are engraved some design. Very rare to get this type of designs in the stones. Here we are using the small milky white pulse with jade uncut drops. So we will see the weights and prices of this one. This is grass weight is 92 grams because pulse is more here. 92 grams including pulse, stones, CJets and gold. Net weight is only around 13.7 grams. 13.7 grams is the only net weight, and price is also very reasonable, just 1,27,000. 1,27,000 is very reasonable price. Ladies and gents both can wear this one. 1,27,000. So this is also not the final price. We will give the very best deal. At the end we will add 3% GST that goes to the government, not comes in our sale, that one. So okay, see once, beautiful chain, because now this trend is going on. So we will see one more chain. This is choker, 2-line choker with CJets and green emerald, uncut emerald. Very beautiful. Here total we are given the design. This is designed by our designers and made in our work unit only. Here the highlighting is we are provided the lotus flowers. On each stone we are provided the lotus flower. This is very rare. This design is very rare to get, because generally it is not possible to see the lotus flowers. You can see how beautiful is this. This is evergreen piece. Especially this looks very nice for our house Lakshmis, that is our daughters. Beautiful piece for their functions, for our daughters' functions. It looks highlighter, natural emerald, Nizam style. Here Hyderabad style we call as. So we will see closely once. Natural emerald, see the clarity of the emerald, very less inclusions. Beautiful. Here starts the lotus design, then CJet work. These are moissanite stones, that's why it is equivalent to the polkis. Beautiful drop emeralds, uncut drop emeralds were given. In this 2 rows we are provided. We are given the 2 rows. That's why this is main highlighting. Generally one row is there, 2 rows are there. We will see the weights and prices of this. This is around 65 grams is the grass weight, including emerald stones, moissanite stones and gold. And in this net gold is 50 grams. So heavy weight is there, small choker, but heavy gold is there. 50 grams is the net weight. Price is higher end only, 3,73,000. 3,73,000 because moissanites are there. Compared to CJets, this price is more. If CJets are around 300-350 carats, this is around 1,500 rupees per carat. So this is equivalent to uncut diamonds, moissanites are. Beautiful piece. So one more chain we will see. Beautiful with light green emerald. We are using the lighter green. Now trend is going with the light green, and here we are provided the gold balls. Simple, no design is there. Simple plain gold balls we are provided. Here we are provided three brooches type. 3 flowers we are provided with combination of CJets and world's tiniest pulse. 2 brooches we are given with Nakshi design flowers also we are provided. Back side we are using the dory and small world's tiniest pulse. You can see how beautiful is this. See, beautiful piece is there. Inside is nylon silk thread. Inside is the nylon silk thread. So if you want any changes, it is possible. This work is done by of our experienced workers only. They are called as patwas. They are made by themselves. This is not made in work unit. Workers personally they will made. See here, champagne color pulse. These are not milky white, champagne color. Small, little bit uneven, tiniest pulse. So many rows. Then we are provided the two brooches with Nakshi flower designs, Nakshi design, flower work. Here with CJs, red enamel, so much designing work. Decoration is there in this. In this chain, so much decoration is there. With enamel paint, we are used CJs, we are used emeralds, we are used Nakshi design, we are used and small, tiniest pearls. We are provided the dory. And the end highlighting, we are provided the plain gold balls. Beautiful. See the clarity of the stones, cut stones, so it is giving the glitters. We will see the weights and prices of this one. So this is gross weight is 89 grams, including red stones and CJs and pearls, 89 grams. And net gold is 20 grams. 20 grams is only net gold, but it is a good haram. It looks like a total functional wear. In 20 grams, you are getting a big necklace. This price is around 2,20,000. 2,20,000. So much decoration is there in this chain. So if anybody likes, please approach our WhatsApp number. Then we will give you the very, very best deal. If you want related designs also, we will show in this dark green one is also available. So our madam can wear and show you. Ma'am. This highlight is the green color, the light color green we are used. Now trend is going like this with light green color. Total entirely new look, total fresh piece this one. See world's tiniest pulse in this we are used. If you want to any customize also we will do in this, because this is made by of our workshop workers only. Very skilled labor, they are called as the patwas. So this can also wear by gents also, because backside we are provided the dory. So ladies and gents both can wear this one.
We completely gold. Huh?
This is all plain gold balls. If anybody request in this design also, we will provide the design balls also. This is one of the beautiful piece. Here the stones are giving so much glitters. Maybe I don't know how it is looking in the video, but here physically it is looking very, very beautiful. Thank you, ma'am. One second. So one more chain, the last one, very beautiful chain with two brooches with CJs. See how the glitters are coming. Total fresh gold, complete shining gold. We are using shining gold caps with Nakshi designs. It is the graduation, smaller to bigger size. In this also two patterns we are using, up to here small to big, but here onwards one more layer is there. It looks like one more layer of pulse. Here two rows we are using. Highlight is the two brooches. Backside previously we are provided the chain, but now we are provided the dory because it is useful for both ladies and gents, both can wear. Totally completely 22 carats gold, started in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. Very lightweight in this. I will show that closely. See, from starting onwards we are provided two putties, gold putties. See the clarity of the pulse, no inclusions in this, no dents are there, very minute dents, 99% dent free pulse these are. Totally gold. This is designed by of our designers. and made in our work unit. The two brooches are the highlight in this. See from here the actual chain highlighting. Wonderful chain. This is one of my favorite chain. Beautiful. We get very good responses in this. That's why we are making one more. We are made one more piece in this. We will get the matching earrings. You can wear studs or hangings. Both are available. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. Because these are designers piece. Only one piece is the available. So we will see the weights and prices of this chain. This gross weight is around 94 grams, heavy weight 94 grams including pulse, CZs and gold. And net weight is 25 grams only. In the 94 grams, out of 94 grams, just 25 grams is the net gold. And in this price is around 2,45,000. 2,45,000, little bit higher end only on pulse. But this is the very designer piece. So if anybody likes, please approach us. We will give the very best deal. Don't think this is the final price. We will do very best price. So this also our madam can wear and show you. Yeah. So okay. So these are the 7 chains today I showed. Hoping you like all the designs today. So once again I am telling, we have around 4 branches and 1 main branch is there. Our first store is in 1983. We are established in the old city near Charminar, Pathargatti area. We will get the loose pulse also there, very reasonable prices. Second is the one of the beautiful and most wonderful stores in Hotel Taj Krishna, H level in the Cellar area. We will get the very royal collections there. And one more store is available in Hyderabad International Convention Center, and beside that Hyderabad Novotel Hotel also. So very fast moving products are available there. And next is the very beautiful and great store is available in Jubilee Hills Road number 36. Here ground floor and second floor our store is present. In the ground floor you will get the very good collections in diamonds, especially next plain gold and polki collections and real stone collections. For marriages total collections you will get here only. And in the second floor you will get the different types of pulse. South Sea Pulse, Tahiti Pulse, Mikimoto Pulse, Akai Pulse, Freshwater Pulse, KC Pulse, all types of pulse you will get. And in gold combination and silver combination also, from the 1 year onwards we have started the silver section also here. You will get this from small item to big item also you will get. We will take the orders also in silver. And very special pieces will present, just like dining tables, wall clocks, different patterns of silver items are present here. And we use the very pure silver, 92.5% silver we will use, not 70 or 80%. So hoping you like today's episode. Thanking you for giving this opportunity. Signing out, Suman. Bye bye. Dhanyavad.